The Sing Proud Choir is all about bringing care-experienced young people and adults together, and those who support care-experienced young people together in an environment that's really positive, proactive, and we just have fun and, surprisingly enough, sing.
If you were in care, or if you're still in care, or people who are foster carers come together and sing as like one.
My friend Seb was just on Twitter one day and he was like, they're doing a radio training course in the WMC, so I was like, sick. And here we are now.
You learn the very basics, and then after that it's not just a case of just doing your 6 weeks and then having to find somewhere else to develop those skills. Like, they want to encourage people to stay here, learn their crafts.
Dwi newydd orffen fy hyfforddiant gyda radio platform a heno yw fy sioe olaf. Felly nes I ddysgu sut I editio a sut I cyfweld y bobl, a hefyd sut I gario mewn I siarad os oes popeth yn methu ar radio fyw, sut I just cario mewn I siarad.
Whether it's you want to be a technician or whether you want to be a presenter, it's a place where people can come and do all those things, and we get a lot of people in here who are somewhat shy, and it's great to see people coming out of their shell in such a fantastic way.
Together Stronger is a strategic partnership between Valley's Kids and the Wales Millennium Centre, designed to provide more creative opportunities for young people aged between 11 and 25.
It's lovely working with the children. Comes with a lot of challenges, but it's very rewarding. These young people that came on board with the first artist hub, they've come through and they've kept coming back because we've given them a flavour of different workshops they can work on. And it's just finding the things that they're interested in. They might not want to go into a career in the arts. It's more about them developing socially and making friends and having fun as well at the same time.
It has helped me in a lot of ways. Like when I was young, I had like anger issues, and I felt like this helped me control myself, gain more confidence, because I was quite a shy person I was, and from me being young to now, it's just a brilliant opportunity, and I had so much more confidence.